Penny, what are you trying to do? Oh, you terrible little goats. Thunder Girl, how come you're not being such a pill? At least, well, tonight. Penny! Miss Penny! Boy, we are busy eating hay. Hay is the best. Isn't that right, Thunder Girl? Isn't that right? You're such a good little goat. Oh, you're so smart too, aren't you? What do you think, Pebbles? Are you having a good time eating? You guys are busy just tearing the hay apart. It is all so much fun. Little Miss Zoe, are you gonna come over here so I can see you? Huh? Little Zoe, you come over here. You come talk to me. Mom's and brothers are busy eating hay, and you're busy eating hay. Well, Mom, don't play with that. Don't chew with that. Do I need to put that up again? Oh, and they're trying to get Mr. Minty's attention. And he doesn't want anything to do with them because they're just not... They're not big enough girls. Even though they think they are. Don't you? Don't you, Thunder Girl? You think you're a big goat. You're just a cute little girl. Right, Gladys? Pretty windy out tonight. First time I've seen stars in about a week. Which means it's probably going to get pretty cold tonight. I gave the goats and the horses extra hay outside, and these guys, their heater seems to be working really well. What are you doing, Thunder Girl? Are you coming to see what's going on? Hi, Pebbles. Oh, those little eyes see so much. Yeah. Such pretty little girls. Good stuff, Pebbles. Hi, Penny. You usually come and talk. You and your friend Thunder Girl. Yes, you guys have been friends for so long, haven't you? Haven't you? Miss Thunder Girl, what do you think? Oh no. Well, I want to thank everybody for watching. I got happy little goats. We're all eating and relaxing and got everything we need. And that's the best thing. You know, little Miss Tuffet's got a go and jump over. Yeah. And you little girls are the best, aren't you? So I want to make sure that everybody has a good evening. I want to ask that they have a good evening. And thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, click that subscribe button. Hit the like button to see more videos like mine. Leave me a comment. I respond to all my comments. And I will talk to you guys later. Have a good evening.